RollAShield, we custom build thousands of rolling shutters every year, and you can operate all of them in different ways. There's two main categories. First is manually operated shutters, and the second category is motorized. So in the manual area, we have a couple different ways to do it. First is a spring-loaded shutter where you can push or pull it down using a spring-assisted axle. You can also use a pull strap operated or a crank strap operated shutter, or even a gear operated shutter. All of those don't require any electricity. You mount them to the wall and then you're in business. On the motorized side, we have a lot of different types of motors. First is our classic electric hardwired motor, where it gets its power from your building power and it's operated by a switch in the wall, kind of like a light switch that's hardwired. We also offer remote operated motors. So these are ones that do connect into your building power, but they are operated by remotes, even if they're handheld remotes or they're mounted to a wall, that don't need any wiring for the control element of the shutter. We also have motorized shutters that are powered by a solar panel, in which case there's no wiring to the building power either, or battery powered, where you recharge a battery in a wall outlet and then it operates the shutter. So there are a lot of different ways for you to operate these shutters, either by hand or using motors. Just reach out to our sales team. We'll talk to you about all the options. We want to learn about your project, whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, and we're going to help you make sure that you get the right custom shutter for your needs in your project.